Hi friends, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare 2D drawings in SolidWorks software. I already made the 3D model. I will convert this into 2D. Control N, select drawing, OK, select the template. Already model is here. Just double click. This is front view, side, top and ISO view. So for dimension we can give manually or by default also. I will show you. Select the annotation, model items, dimension, click this view, OK. See, like this dimensions will come. One more option is we can give manually. Select smart dimension, just select the edges 50. Like this we can do in two methods. So last video I have made manually. In this I will show you by default dimensions. Select model items. I think in this part we required only two views because all the dimensions we can cover. I will remove this side view. And also we can remove these 2-digit zeros. Document properties, select dimension, remove this extra zeros. For every drawing, align the dimensions neatly, friends, and also started with 1 point. For example, you are starting from here. We need to give all the dimension from here only because it will helpful for do the machining. This is change it into shaded with edges. Or we have a space, we can increase the scale. Select note without leader. Front view. OK. Friends, I am requesting if you like this session, please like my videos for better reaching. Select note again, select the view without leader. This is top view. OK. ISO That's it friends. I hope all the dimensions are covered. If anything missing, please let me know in the comment please. Save the drawing, Ctrl S. We can save PDF also. Here select the format, PDF. See friends, this is the PDF drawing. So that's it friends. I hope you like this session, and also I am requesting one more time, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching friends.